How to mute a server on Discord. So for that you have to follow all these steps. So first of all, open your Discord app or open it on your PC. Look at the left sidebar and find the server you want to mute in your server list. On mobile, long press on the server icon, or on PC, right click on the server icon to open the options menu. From the drop down menu, tap on notification settings to access the mute and notification options for the server. Find and tap on the mute server option to begin muting all notifications from this server. Select how long you want to mute the server from the available options such as 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hour, or so on. Tap on your preferred mute duration to confirm and apply the mute to the selected server. Go back to your server list and confirm that the server now shows a muted icon indicating it has been successfully muted. If you only want to mute specific channels, long press on a channel name and tap mute channel to mute it separately. When you want to unmute, simply long press or right click on the server icon again and tap unmute server to restore notification. Thank you for watching.